What's up, guys? Oh, Dr. M3 with our fall drive. You can just hear it from the roar of the Performante. We've got about 10-15 cars out from our group here, and just wanted to kind of share this with you. You have some awesome views from our Insta360 camera. If you saw the Ford GT on track as well as on the road, you would have seen that footage. That footage came from the Insta360, and it's just such an awesome camera that is, I think, is a game changer because it allows you to reframe a lot of the views and stuff. So we're out, beautiful day out today. It's a little on the chillier side, but it's getting warmer. But the fall foliage, for those of you in the Northeast and maybe Mid-Atlantic, you can appreciate this kind of driving weather. And for my friends that are in the South or West or Desert Southwest, you guys suck. You guys have weather all year round. This is probably going to be one of the last big drives that we do this season, and it's just awesome having some friends around. Now, if you haven't seen the last video I posted, I want you to go check it out, because a few of you had asked me about the Aventador. It is back, it's fine, it's doing great. And you may ask, well, why didn't you take the Aventador today? I've gotten asked that several times now. And although it would be a great car to take because you can take the roof off and, of course, just enjoy the open air experience, in many ways I think the Performante is a better car for this kind of driving. Oh man, it is so good. It literally is pointy. I can feel it in these corners that we're taking at times. And my buddy here, Matt, who's sitting beside me, pretty calmly, he knows, he's felt how the brakes on this car works, how it accelerates, and I've been telling him a little bit about the Ala and how it makes you feel behind the wheel, because this car definitely turns in more on the turns, and I can tell more than my steering input, because remember, the Performante is not rear wheel steering like the Evo, and so when you feel the turns that are a little bit more accentuated, I can tell you when the Ala system is working. Besides, I also have it on the dashboard, so I can actually see the system as it goes by. I'm going to turn it back on here from the center console, so we have the other view down there. We can do it, but oh my god, some of these, like, literally ups and downs, you can't see where you're going, so we're always careful about that. But this view is just amazing. We're literally out in the country. Hello. There's a huge grain refinery here that is kind of awesome. The views are just great. So I'm going to shut up for a minute. We're going to let the camera roll so you still hear the sounds, but I'm going to show you just outside what this all looks like, what my view is with the cars around us. So just take a look at it. Right, so here's what we do. Connect to the roof.
I'll stop
leave
that.
No, stop it. Leave it running because we want the audio. And then just connect to the roof. top. Where the Popo at? Where you at, Mr. Popo? Oh, he probably, you know, he probably was rolling and stuff and he got tagged. He's out of here, but you never know where they're hiding.
Now it's 20.
Wow, check it out. S3, beautiful. And there goes the 720S as it kind of heads out of here. Beautiful car. All right, guys. Oh, man. Remember I told you about the Red Dragon? Well, guys, that's going to do it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. That thing is mean and nasty. See you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.